this morning, Seattle growing the list of cities banning plastic straws and utensils. Now, restaurants, grocery stores, cafeterias, and similar businesses that hand them out face a $250 fine. Those businesses instead swapping out plastic for greener materials like paper and bamboo. And I'm sure our next guest hopes more cities follow in Seattle's footsteps, because things like July 4th cookouts can certainly add to that waste. So Lori Hill of Sister Eden Media is here with some earth-friendly party tips. And you just told me, Lori, that it is plastic-free July.
Yes.
So this is maybe something that we can, incorporate for our 4th of July plans and parties, and then maybe just carry on through the rest of the month.
Absolutely, and all year long. So, and here's the thing, whether you're throwing a big party, a block party for 200 or an elegant party for 20, you can still go plastic free. And the key is to use reusables. So you can save money, eliminate plastic, and minimize your waste by just using reusables.
Okay, because it's one of those things, everyone, you think of the easy factor of just getting plastic and then you can throw it all out, but we can reuse.
Lots of, exactly.
Use reusables.
And save so much money. So for your plates, just use china. Or Corelware is great if you're worried about breakage. For my family, for our neighborhood block party, we bring our camp gear for that. Because what we do is we ask everybody at our neighborhood block party, just bring your own plates, cups, and cutlery. And so then we don't have to worry about buying anything, and we minimize waste. It's great. In the 70s, my church did this for our annual picnic. They just said every family bring your own place setting.
Which makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense, yeah. So plates, and then moving on to how you serve your drinks. How about a pitcher? Oh my gosh, yeah. So use a pitcher or use a big container like an igloo cooler. That's what we used to do.
Yeah.
And to drink your drinks, just use glassware. You can use water bottles, stainless steelware, your travel mugs, that type of thing.
Okay.
For cutlery, of course, use silverware.
Right.
Or you can use reusables. And I've got the to-go-ware is great because this is bamboo cutlery. Okay, I take this with me in my purse. I keep this in my purse. It's got a carabiner so you can carry it on you. So that's great when you're on the go or doing something like this. Yeah, so
I was going to say, this at first glance looked like it was, a pack of paper plates, but these are eco-friendly?
They're eco-friendly. They're made of recycled paper. So so if reusables are not an option, then just use eco-friendly disposables, compostable disposables. I got these at Party City. Believe it or not, they have an eco-friendly line. Yes. And this is birch cutlery, so you can dispose of that. That can go in compost.
And one other thing, that I really want to emphasize is, when you are doing the cleanup process, you want to help your guests know where things go.
Yes. Yes, so post signs to indicate what goes where. And then the big key is to have all of your, have a waste station set up at your event. And if it's a big event, then maybe have several of them. But the key thing is to have your compost, your recycling, your landfill all together so people don't have to go to different places. And then it's always good to have someone there monitoring it to make sure the right things go in the right containers.
Yeah, because that can be sometimes a little bit confusing for some people, and they are like, I don't really know where this is supposed to go, but I think designating someone to be there. Okay, I want to move on to some of the dishes that you've brought for us.
So this is a blueberry quinoa salad. I love it. It's from Sweet Life Wellness, and it's really easy to put together. It's basically just 4 ingredients. So we're going to put this together. Okay, so first of all, start with, so obviously you have your greens, your arugula. Then you add quinoa, a cup of quinoa. Then you also have a cup of blueberries. And then follow that up with a 1/4 cup of red onion.
Oh, not bad.
And then the salad dressing is just lemon and olive oil and some salt and pepper.
Oh my
so just
gosh.
Put that over. How easy is that?
So
I know, I'm always
easy.
running around on 4th of July, and it's like, just put that together, no problem.
All right, wonderful. Well, I know we're kind of finishing up.
Yep, that's fine.
But you guys are doing, what else are you guys doing with Sister Media?
Sister Eden Media. Well, we've got some, to get these other recipes, you can go to sistereden.com. I've got all of these recipes, the Steph Curry potato salad and the jackfruit and slaw. So we're stressing how to live plastic-free in July and all year round.
Well, I think it's fantastic. You guys always give us some great tips. So thank you so much. And here's to a plastic-free 4th of July party and maybe a year. All right, 9:44, we have more Good Morning.